She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today's video, I'm going to do a what's in my bag, or what's in my backpack, or what's in my school bag. I always enjoy watching these types of videos. Like, I'm always curious what other people have inside their bags. So I really wanted to do my own version, and now I'm so excited that I'm finally doing my own version. I'm currently a third-year college student taking up a degree in secondary education. So I hope that makes you somehow interested to see what's inside the school bag of a third-year education student. Let's start. Ito ang aking backpack. Magtatagalog na po tayo ngayon dahil hindi po ibig sabihin na tayo ay English major. Doesn't necessarily mean that we're good in English. Sometimes we took the course because we wanna be better at that. So forgive me for further grammatical errors, but this is my backpack. If you have seen my last video, you will know by now that we always go to the ukay-ukay. So this bag is apparently from the ukay-ukay. It's from Samsonite. I said I was gonna speak in Tagalog. Pero because it's ukay-ukay nga, so medyo nawala na yung ano niya. NTE whatever, but it's Samsonite. I got this bag for I think 200 pesos. Like, so cheap. Dito tayo mag-start sa pocket na to. I have here a 1 peso coin and then another coin to be this 2020. Dito naman tayo sa zipper. Sa zipper, meron akong lunchbox ko. Ayan, palagi tayong nagdadala niyan kasi para hindi na hassle mag-baro-baro sa kanto. Then, I also have my utensils, spoon, fork, and then this. Sobrang nice ng colors. I'm so in love with pasta. I have here my hair clamp. Here, my alcohol, my cologne. This cologne is from Bench, the baby Bench cologne in Jelly Bean. Sobrang bango nito. Also, I have here a tissue sa Jollibee. My purse. This purse is, by the way, from Celine. And in the smaller pockets, I have my flash drive, my OTG, hairpins, and I also have my what's this? Metal straw, my foldable metal straw. This is cute. Yeah. Looks like this. You just fold it this way. It's nice to have this one so you don't have to ask for plastic straws. In the sides, may slot for water bottles, and it is where I keep my water bottle in school. Let us go to the most functional pocket in this bag. So first, I have here my pouch for all of my essentials. I have here my glue, marker, my pen. I love this because it's all in one. All of the colors are here. So kung hindi ko dadalhin tong pouch na to, then I will just bring this one. So yung normal na ballpen. Black, I have red, blue, I have green, orange. These colored ones are actually Titus pens. I have a marker, a highlighter, and sobrang weird kasi may tatlo pala akong correction tape. Ayan. What else? Post-its, stapler, and ang kanyang bala. I have here a masking tape na hindi akin. Hindi ko alam kung bakit nandyan. I also have here a paper clip and then a double-sided tape. So those are my essentials. I also have my other essentials pouch. Essentials for the face. So this is my makeup that I bring with me to school. Powder, a brush, blush. Else, I have here a Sharpie marker. Why do I have it here? I have a lip tint. Is it a lip tint? Is it what do you call it? Lip ink. A brow pencil, and that is all. Here, my planner. So it's good to have one to help you, organize and keep up with your schedule, especially for us kasi halos lahat ng subjects namin may report kami. Ang daming deadline, ang daming ginagawa. So, ayun. And I also have another notebook. Hindi ko alam paano sinusulat ko dito, pero I just write anything here. I have a binder, pero hindi ko siya hindi ko alam, tinatamad ako. here my file case or folder, whatever you call it, file organizer. So this is where I keep my handouts, mga notes, what else, test papers, quizzes, this one. So ayan, mga ganito lang kami. Most of our notes are handouts. Ayan, bakit nakaseparate siya? My prelim exam in lit criticism. So in this bag, may compartment siya for laptops, ganyan. Dito, nilalagay ko yung charger. Dito naman, I have a pad of yellow paper. So, na-remind ako na may gagawin pala. Ito ko siya nilalagay para hindi siya makunit-kunit. And in here, I put my laptop. Hindi ko siya palaging dinadala kasi mabigat siya, sis. Nung Saturday, dinala ko lang siya for some reason. I think that is all. So, yun lang guys, ang laman ng aking backpack. Oh, by the way, you're maybe wondering bakit wala kang libro, girl. Well, may libro kami pero kukunin ko pa lang. And it's crazy because January na ngayon and ngayon pa lang ako kukuha ng libro. But like what I said, palagi kaming nagre-report and yung mga reporters, basically magpo-provide sila ng handouts for their respective reports. So, pero kukuha ko ng libro for sure. Especially for the more technical subjects. I think that is all, guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I just really want to take this time to thank everyone na nanood ng previous video ko. Thank you for subscribing. Dun sa 20 people na nag-like, thank you so much. It means a lot to me. Yeah, my heart was so full when the video was posted. And wala lang. I did not expect that kind of reception. Konti lang naman, 200 is, that's not a lot, but thank you for taking the time. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell down below. If you have any video suggestions, please don't hesitate to comment it down below. What else do I have to say? Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye! Look at my cute nails.